Welcome to the deep dive. Today we're cutting through all the online glitter to look at a jewelry store called Maya and Henry. And it's one of those places that has really perfected that look of luxury without the luxury price tag.
Exactly.
You browse their site, and it feels like you've stumbled on this amazing high-end liquidation sale. You see these elegant gold pieces, stunning necklaces.
And everything is marked down like crazy.
Yeah, we're talking about items listed at, say, $300,
Mhm.
suddenly going for under 50 bucks. The whole vibe is premium clearance inventory.
Right. And our mission today is really to figure out if this is the bargain of the century or if all those tempting discounts are just hiding something else. Let's see if the red flags stack up.
Okay, so where do we even start?
Well, you have to immediately look past those appealing prices and check out the site's digital footprint. According to Scam Advisor, the domain for Maya and Henry has a surprisingly low trust score.
A low score. Okay, that's already interesting.
Yeah, and this is where we need to be really careful.
Wait, hold on. If they're selling genuine, high-end clearance pieces, why would they have basically zero transparency about who owns the company? What is a site like this trying to hide?
That's the million-dollar question. The low score is because the website is extremely new, all the ownership info is hidden, and there's no real transparency about the business. The system basically flags it as proceed with extreme caution.
And, when we started digging into user reviews on Trustpilot and Reddit, that caution just gets confirmed over and over. It's a massive coin flip.
Continual coin flip, yeah.
Some people did get their orders, and, they said the jewelry looked nice for the price.
But those are scattered among some really alarming negative reports. More than alarming, actually. We saw tons of reports of pieces arriving already tarnished,
Oh, wow.
or items feeling super cheap compared to the pristine photos on the site. And maybe the worst part, orders just never showing up at all.
And I'm guessing customer support isn't much help.
Reportedly, completely unresponsive, especially when people tried to get refunds.
Oof.
And what's fascinating is the pattern we saw on Reddit. So many threads were saying the discounts were just too good to be true.
The classic sign.
Exactly. The consensus was that it's just inexpensive, mass-produced jewelry that's being marketed really aggressively as some kind of premium boutique product.
And that connects to another thing, right? Despite that polished brand image, customers were reporting these really long shipping times with packages coming from overseas.
And that just highlights the whole discrepancy. It's high-end marketing hiding what's almost certainly an overseas dropshipping operation.
So if we connect all those dots,
The conclusion is pretty clear. Maya and Henry is operating way on the higher risk side of things. This isn't a clearance sale. It's a brand new website with hidden business details, a low trust score, and tons of negative reports about quality.
so the key takeaway is that the jewelry is just mass-produced stuff with a false luxury story built around it.
That's it.
So what does this all mean for you, the shopper? I mean, it means this whole experience is just incredibly unpredictable. You might get a piece you like for cheap.
You might, but it's just as possible you'll end up with something that's genuinely poor quality or run into major problems with shipping or getting your money back.
So the advice here seems pretty straightforward.
It is. If you choose to roll the dice on a site like this, you absolutely have to manage your expectations. And this is critical. Always use a secure payment method, a credit card or PayPal.
Right, something that gives you a way to dispute the charge.
Exactly. You need that buyer protection when the promises inevitably fall apart.
Okay, so here's the final thought we want to leave you with. If a retail brand invests so much time and money into creating this flawless, polished image, but then systematically hides where it comes from and how it operates, what specific deception is that business really trying to profit from? Thanks for diving deep with us.